Today we're taking a look at an all-in-one computer from Dell. We're going to replace the cooling fan because it's been making a horrendous noise. So first thing we have to do is we have to pry off that back panel. It can be kind of tough, especially if you haven't done it before. You'll want to use some sort of tool to get in under there to help you pry it up. It takes some time and some effort. But once you get it off, you just pull the whole thing off. And now you can see everything that's in the back of the computer. Hard drive, fan. I forgot to pull one of the peripherals out. Now, in order to get to the fan and take it apart, we'll need to detach it from the motherboard. And so we have to pull off this back panel, the big gray part in the center. So we'll get the right size screwdriver and we'll get to work on that. Alright, you pull that off. Now you can see the cable that connects the fan to the motherboard. You want to carefully disconnect that. It put up a little bit of a fight, so I went ahead and I unscrewed the fan first, and then I disconnected it from the motherboard. Then you'll put the new one in, which I've done here, and then now we're just putting the back panel back on. Well, the panel over the motherboard, we're putting that back on, and then of course we will put the back panel of the entire computer back on. And you will be done. It's that simple. If you found this useful, please consider liking and subscribing. If you are looking for someone to help you fix your computers, please consider Savvy Guy IT.